Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the alignment options in the Format menu of Google Docs. So let's say I want to align some of my text in a Google Doc a little bit differently than is standard. If I highlight that text, I can go to Format, Align and Indent. Right now that text is formatted to or aligned to the left. I can center it. I can align it to the right. I can center justify it or just justify it. So you may notice when you use justified, you may see a little bit larger gaps between words than you're used to. That's basically what justified does. It sort of spreads the words from one side to the other and uses appropriate spaces. But really what it's trying to do is make sure that you have text at both edges rather than words sort of ending a little too soon and then, the next word starts on the next line and you get all these weird spaces on the opposite side of your alignment. So you'll notice that if we switch it back to left, there's like a space up here, a space here, a little bit of space here, and so on. Justified just sort of presses all the text towards the outside edges. Right. In addition to that, we can increase the indent for a paragraph. Right, and notice now there's this space over here where it was before, and I've just indented it again. So it is indented a little bit more, draw some attention to it. I can decrease the indent and undo it. So you have several options for aligning and indenting text and content in your Google Docs to make it fit with your design a little bit better.